Did you know that every time you wash your hair, you might be accidentally damaging your color? Sounds crazy, right? But the water coming out of your taps, even if it's filtered, contains metal particles like copper. Over time, these metals build up inside your hair fiber. Then, the next time you go to the salon or even just use your hairdryer, those metals react, leading to hair breakage and that dull look we all hate. This is why your hair color never seems to stay as vibrant as the day you left the salon. My name is Joel from L'Oreal Pro Education, and today I'm showing you the 3-step home routine that will change everything for your guests. Step 1 is a powerful home hair care innovation designed for those with porous and damaged hair who want to stop breakage before it even starts. Unlike traditional treatments, this is applied to wet hair before shampooing. That's right, before you start shampooing. This is because hair is at its most vulnerable when it is soaked with water, featuring a high concentration of our patented ingredient, Glicoamine. It fills the micro cracks in the hair fiber to neutralize metals to prevent them from causing further damage during the cleansing process. The immediate benefit is a dramatic reduction in hair porosity and breakage, leaving your hair feeling intensely reinforced, smoother, and perfectly prepared for a deeper, more effective cleanse. Simply dampen your hair, apply the pre-shampoo, and work through with your fingers until all the strands are coated. Now this is the important bit. Do not rinse. You will go straight to step 2 from here and apply your first shampoo. Step 2 is the Metal Detox Shampoo. Now this isn't your average shampoo. This is a professional grade cleansing cream used by hair pros all over the world. It's sulfate free and super concentrated. The benefit for your hair is that it doesn't just cleanse away dirt and product buildup, it actually detoxifies your hair by pulling those metal particles from the inside. It smells like a luxury spa, citrusy and fresh, and it leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft before you even get to the conditioner. Step 3 is all about protection. You've invested in removing those metals, so let's make sure we keep them at bay. The mask contains that special molecule called Glicoamine that I mentioned earlier in the pre-shampoo. Think of it like a little magnet that finds and neutralizes the metal, creates a shield so new metals can't get back in. This is the secret to why your hair feels so strong after using it. You will notice way less hair in your brush because this helps to reduce breakage by up to 87%. Now the final step is your leave-in protection. This is like a daily vitamin for your hair. If your hair feels thirsty or frizzy, go for the high protection cream. It gives you 72 hours of moisture and protects your hair from heat when you blow dry. But if you want that salon shine, you need the concentrated oil. It's super light, doesn't feel greasy, and is instantly making your hair look polished and silky. Both these treatments provide up to 230 degrees Celsius heat protection. A pro tip from me to you is I actually like to use a tiny bit of cream on damp hair for the moisture and then a drop of the oil on my dry ends for that extra pop of shine. In short, if you want to keep your color looking expensive and stop the breakage, you need to get the metal out and keep it out. As a pro stylist, choose Metal Detox to protect the hair. Trust me, your guests will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.